Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day 24 and the pick is New Zealand. Let's go. New Zealand is an island country in the southwestern Pacific Ocean consisting of two main land masses, the North Island and the South Island. Cook Strait, a narrow stretch of sea, separates the two. Wellington, the capital city, is on North Island. It lies farther south than any other national capital in the world. Both the islands have mountains and hills. The Southern Alps is a long chain of mountains on South Island. The mountains trap the moist ocean air and they are often wrapped in clouds. The first people to live in New Zealand, the Maori, called an Aotearoa, meaning land of the long white cloud. The Maori are the indigenous Polynesian people of mainland New Zealand. In the Maori language, the word Maori means normal, natural, or ordinary. The word was used to distinguish ordinary mortal human beings from deities and spirits. Traditional Maori culture has survived, but now it's blended with the European culture of modern New Zealand. One can still hear traditional Maori music played on the flute and see traditional Maori dances. Wood carving, painting, and making things of woven flax are Maori crafts. Today's art is inspired by Maori art. Maori visual art consists primarily of four forms: carving, tattooing, weaving, and painting. It was rare for any of these to be purely decorative. Traditional Maori art was highly spiritual and in a pre-literate society conveyed information about spiritual matters, ancestry, and other culturally important topics. Most of the traditional Maori art was highly stylized and feature motifs such as spirals. Europeans introduced Maori to their more figurative style of art. Tamoko is the art of traditional Maori tattooing done with a chisel. Men were tattooed on many parts of their bodies, including their faces. Moko conveyed a person's ancestry. The art declined in the 19th century following the introduction of Christianity, but in recent decades has undergone a revival. Although modern moko are in traditional styles, most are carried out using modern equipments. The patterns seen in my art are some of the Maori patterns. The colors white and black dominated. Silver fern, endemic to New Zealand, is also featured. And finally, the national icon of New Zealand, kiwis. The kiwi is a strange little bird found only in the forests of island nation of New Zealand. During the day, it sleeps in its burrow and at night it looks for food. Kiwis have a strong sense of smell and a touch-sensitive bill. They are the only birds whose nostrils are at the very end of the bill. Kiwis are fast runners and fierce fighters. It has wings that are not fully formed, so it does not fly. The bird is much loved by the people of New Zealand. They themselves are sometimes called kiwis. A fruit, a breakfast cereal, and an airline are named after the kiwi too. This is it for the artwork today. Do let me know what you think of this artwork in the comments below. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.